That old saying goes, there are no bad dogs, only bad pet owners. But you know, I never thought that was entirely true. And veterinary behaviorist Dr. Kelly Ballantyne confirms that's not always the case. A recent study she conducted among pet owners indicates that many feel guilt and shame over their pet's behavior issues.
They were really struggling with their pet's behavior problem. And they also felt very isolated because they were getting judgment from others. And that judgment came from a lot of different places. It came from family members and friends, so people who are close to these pet owners. And they also felt that judgment from outside. So that could be the random person on the street or from things that they read on the internet, coworkers, colleagues.
Now, because of that shame and guilt these pet owners are feeling, they may fail to report behavior issues to their veterinarian, and that typically only leaves the problem to get worse.
And even with those pet owners who maybe choose an intervention or choose a tool that I wouldn't necessarily pick as my first line of approach, I think a lot of times they choose those things because they're really struggling. They're really just trying to reach for a solution for this problem that's really stressful for them, and they just don't have the adequate tools or have the adequate knowledge in order to choose the right intervention.
And just because they don't have the adequate tools or resources to deal with the behavior issue absolutely does not mean that they love their pets any less.
We love our pets, and that was something that really came through in this study. People love their pets. They're part of the family, so when that family member is having a significant behavioral issue, it impacts everybody else.
And since the #1 reason pets die in America is perceived behavior problems, not cancer or diabetes or heart disease, it's important that pet owners have resources to address the problem. Don't be afraid to talk with your veterinarian if your pet's behavior is a concern. I'm Steve Dale.